Hi everyone! Today we will be flipping through a new issue of Coloring Haven magazine, and you can see that the title is Anime Special. I'm not a huge fan of anime culture, so for me the pictures were a huge surprise. Honestly, I didn't expect that I like them so much. The artist of this issue is Desti. Currently, she is working for the Collateral Damage Studios in Singapore, and all pictures in this issue were created exclusively for Coloring Haven. I was happy to find again that each picture has its own name and even a short story or explanation of anime characters or Japanese traditions. And here we have Lolita. I like how Desti draw faces and draw clothes, but I'm completely in love with the next picture, which is Gothic Lolita. I don't know why, but I want to color this page so much. You can see that on some pages we have a lot of free background of the empty background, but I think that using Copics and watercolors I will be able to fill in the background. I think that Copics will be my preferable art supply for this book, and it really will maintain the anime spirit. And I like that we have here some gods from Japanese culture. For example, here is Inari Akami, the fox god, and on this page I especially like the raccoon. Next we have Snow Woman and Rain God Dragon. Oh, this picture is very beautiful. And dragon again. And of course here we have Kitsune. I think that this is some kind of a mermaid. And for other characters, I think that I have to Google them. Oh, this picture is so beautiful. Look how the artist draw Alice. It's a very nice of Lewis Carroll Alice in Wonderland interpretations. I think that this Easter Bunny picture will be a nice start for me to begin working with this book. And this picture is very interesting because it tells us about the Japanese festival that honors the autumn moon. And again, very interesting tradition of catching goldfishes. And again, this is one of my favorite pictures because it shows us the Dolls Day, a festival celebrated in March, and the festival is dedicated to girls, to the daughters, and I will have a possibility to color a lot of cute tiny Japanese dolls. The previous one was dedicated to the birthday of the emperor, and this one is dedicated to the 5th day of the 5th month of May, and it's a holiday dedicated to the happiness of children. I like this picture with traditional Japanese footwear, and this is Miko, and she is a shrine maiden. And here we have a traditional Halloween witch. And have you noticed the cat? Girl with sunflowers is also very beautiful. And this is my favorite picture in the whole book. I love Sakura here, I like lanterns, and of course her kimono. I'm so eager to start this page. Of course we have angels and Christmas angels. I am very happy with this new issue. Unfortunately, it's already sold out on the publisher's website. I will leave you a link in the info box below. Maybe they will be able to make additional copies of this magazine because it's really beautiful. They have back on stock issue with Kanoko Guza pictures, and maybe if you won't be able to purchase this one online, you will be able to find it in maybe in offline shops. Thanks for watching, and I hope that you will join me in coloring this magazine.